All right, real talk. Do you ever look at the stock market and just think, man, this makes zero sense? One day everything's bleeding red and the next some random stock is up 25% out of nowhere. Yeah. Welcome to the chaos. But today's chaos actually means something. AMD, the chip company, just dropped a bomb with OpenAI. If you stick around for the next few minutes, I'll explain why this might be the start of something way bigger than just another stock spike. So here's how my morning went. I open up my portfolio expecting another boring day. Maybe the S&P is down a little bit. Cool, whatever. Then boom, AMD's chart looks like it just chugged 3 shots of espresso. It's up 25% just like that. And I'm thinking, wait, what did I miss? Did they suddenly cure inflation or something? Nope. They signed a massive deal with OpenAI. You know, the people behind ChatGPT. It turns out OpenAI wants AMD's chips for their AI projects, and they want a lot of them. Let me break this down in plain English. OpenAI basically said, yo, AMD, we need your GPUs, and if you can deliver, we'll give you a shot at a massive 160 million shares. That is a huge vote of confidence. It's like being invited to sit at the cool kids table in the high school cafeteria after years of eating your lunch by the vending machine. And here's the wild part. This deal puts some serious pressure on NVIDIA, the undisputed king of chips. So now we're watching this real-life tech rivalry play out like a high-stakes boxing match. We've got AMD versus NVIDIA, and it looks like round 1 has just begun. I'll be honest with you, I've always seen AMD as the underdog. You know, the quiet kid in class that everyone underestimates until they suddenly drop a fire mixtape that breaks the internet. That's kind of what this feels like. Now let me be clear. I'm not telling you to go and dump your life savings into AMD stock tomorrow. What I am saying is, pay attention. Moves like this show you where the market's energy is shifting. It's no longer just about who's building the hottest new app. It's about who's building the powerful machines that make all those apps smarter. It's funny, right? We spend so much of our time trying to predict which stocks are going to explode. But moments like this are a great reminder that the real long-term winners are usually the ones building the essential tools that everyone else needs to succeed. Think of it like the gold rush. The people who really got rich weren't just the ones digging for gold, but the ones selling the shovels and pickaxes. So yeah, the Dow might be down, the market might be moody, but the future? It still belongs to whoever powers the AI revolution. And today, that spotlight is shining brightly on AMD. So if you're watching this and thinking, bro, I don't even invest yet, that's perfectly fine. The best thing you can do is start learning. Watch how these major deals ripple through the entire market. That's how you build real financial intuition. Not by reading 1,000 different finance blogs, but by seeing how hype, technology, and timing all collide in the real world. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for today. The market is wild, but so is the opportunity if you're paying attention. All right, I'm done ranting. I want to know what you guys think. Is AMD really about to go toe-to-toe with NVIDIA, or is this just another classic market overreaction? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really curious to see who ass riding this AI wave and who ass just watching from the shore. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more. See you in the next one.